This is a case of grade 2 nucleosclerosis cataract with cortical. You can see these areas there are cortical cataract. Because of this cortical cataract there are some steps we need to take care. We'll go ahead and do rhexis as usual. An adequate rhexis of around 5 to 6 millimeter size will be good. Smaller rhexis will cause difficulties in further steps. I am doing rhexis using a 26 gauge needle 60-tone bent needle where I have got disconnected to the visco cannula, and whenever the antechamber is getting shallow, I just push the visco and without taking out the needle out of the antechamber. Here the rhexis was, I wanted to do a bigger rhexis, slightly went out, I pulled it in and I'm going ahead doing the rhexis. And whenever you're doing rhexis, sometimes when the place where there is cortical cataract, so anterior capsule can also be have some cataract. At that point where the cortical cataract is there, the rhexis can go out. So you have to be very careful with it also. Sufficient. I am doing hydro dissection. It appears to be adequate hydro dissection, but you see it is not complete. Going ahead with hydro delineation also. So at 2 o'clock position there is cortical cataract. The hydro dissection delineation, hydro dissection not complete. Now I am able to trying to rotate the nucleus. It's not rotating. Everywhere it is rotating, not at the place where the cortical cataract is there, because hydro dissection is not complete. So I tried 4-5 times, but I feel that it is not possible. If I press more, there can be chances of zonal dialysis or zonal weakness. So what I will do, I'll come out again, go back a step, do in multiple area, small, reducing the interlenticular pressure, tapping in the on the nucleus. Now it appears like I got a golden fluid wave I was able to see. Now I think the hydro dissection is complete. Let's go. Now when I rotate, it is freely mobile. So be careful when there is cortical cataract. You have to, if there is no complete hydro dissection, go back a step, do hydro dissection nicely, and when the nucleus is rotating freely, then only go ahead. So always when there is cortical cataract, in the beginning of the surgery, plan that there can be inadequate hydro dissection. So be careful so that you don't end up in zonal dialysis or zonal weakness. So the rest of the surgery is a routine surgery. From here I'll do cracking is done, direct chop, and emulsify each cord pieces, then do cortical wash, then put intraocular lens within the bag. Thank you for watching the video. Just enjoy the video.